So to make this diamond ring, what you need is like a paper, which is like 10 centimeter by 5 centimeter, which is basically just half of what I have here. And also you need like a pair of scissors just to trim out what excesses you don't need. So let's get started. To start this, we're going to fold this paper into 2 equal parts, like in half equal parts. So then I'm going to fold it again from head to bottom into 2 equal half also, which is basically what I have here. Then I'm going to open it up. Then I'm going to fold this half into another half here. I'll do the same thing for the other side, which is another half here. So I'm going to open it up again. Then I want to fold this half into another half. So basically what we just want to achieve here is get tiny pleats. Sorry, that's my baby. So I'm going to fold the other side to get the same pleats which I did here. Then 1/2, which is this. That's it. So I'm going to open up everything again. So basically I'm going to fold it into the 2 equal part I did earlier. Then I'm going to put it in the same half which I did earlier again. Then I'm just going to turn it to get like a triangle shape from side to the middle line you have here. Then I'm going to turn this other part too from side to the middle, so you kind of have like a triangle. Just going to trim out the edges, make it very flat. Then I'm going to turn the other side to a triangle. I'm going to open it up, then fold it again. And I'm going to turn it over and turn the other side over. And turn this side over and turn the other side over. So you should get something like this. Sorry. You should get something like this. Then you're gonna open this up. Then you're just gonna cut out this excess. You don't need this part. Then I'm gonna fold a bit smaller, just this way, and put it in here. Then open this up. So this is your diamond ring, which is exactly what I have here, so you can see it. There you go. This is it. This is what it looks like when you're done. Thank you for watching. Bye.